everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by to hang with me a bit today. Super excited because today we are opening the summer 2023 Fab Fit Fun box. Love Fab Fit Fun because this is a lifestyle subscription box. Comes out quarterly each season, and you get all kinds of customization. You get to pick a lot of what the items that go into your box. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Xena wandering around. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. They like to hang out while I do my videos. This one likes to beg for treats if she's not already relaxed. Is that what you want, treats today? We sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out for the long haul. All right, Fab Fit Fun. Do we have to first get Xena a treat? I think we do, which is why I always keep some in the room. These are one of her favorites, which is sweet potato fries. Wyatt does not love them quite as much. How about this? See, here we go. See? All right, so we decided, you know, Xena's 14. She can have whatever she wants. Although sometimes she does get a bit demanding. FabFitFun, as I mentioned, comes out seasonally. It is $59.99 a season, but if you choose to just buy it annually, then it is $219.99. So it is a little bit cheaper. And you get 6 to 8 full-size items from both premium and emerging brands. And they will let you know when your customization window is open and you get through all of your items. Generally, there are several customizations that you can choose from, and you get lots of options. And you can always add. So if you're trying to decide between 2 items in each of your customization windows, you can add. So it might be $15 to add the second product or the third product. So it's really easy, it's lots of fun, and you can kind of overspend if you're not careful. So keep that in mind. Let's dig into my box, and you will see what I picked. I love summer. Love the spring and summer boxes, but I'm a spring and summer girl, and we have been having a really nice heat wave as of late. So the weather has been in the 80s. It's been fabulous. Okay, so first I see a little game. There's a scratch off game in here. So who doesn't love a good scratch off? First up, let's see. I have the serum kind, hand serum. This is Black Blossom hand serum. Okay, so this says, you'll soon see why this hand serum is an award winner in the best scented category. Black tulip powder smooths and softens dry skin, leaving behind a moisturized and protected skin barrier while recovering normal pH balance. Okay, and the MSRP on this one is $27. And here's what it looks like. So it is a full-size product. And now I'm very curious as to what it smells like. Maybe not. Oh, I did it. It does smell really good. Wyatt's very busy today, aren't you, buddy? Oh, yes. Okay, I'm really smelling it now. It smells amazing. Smells like a fresh garden of flowers. That's amazing. Okay, I'm glad I picked that. That's the first item. Next up, I have firming cream. This one is by First Aid Beauty. And this MSRP is $44. It says, this cream is coming to the rescue when it comes to reinvigorating, hydrating, and refreshing your skin. And emollients help to reduce moisture lost from the skin, relieving feelings of tightness or dryness in the process. So it's good for anti-aging, dry, and all skin types. And the key ingredients are collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. And it is cruelty-free. And it's a female-founded company. I tend to pick beauty products for some reason because I want to try them. It's safe for sensitive skin as well. This one really doesn't have a smell. I'm looking forward to trying that. Next up, I have let's see, Glow Oasis. This is Probiotic Triple Peptide Refreshing Eye Cream. This is an MSRP of $48. It says, see for yourself why this eye cream will find a permanent spot in your skincare routine. While the eye area may be overlooked, it's important to provide just as much care and hydration to this delicate spot as it is to other parts of the face. Its vegan probiotics regenerate the skin barrier, while triple peptide and vitamin C are just a few of the many ingredients that brighten, hydrate, and firm. And the key ingredients are the vegan probiotic, triple peptide, vitamin C, and again, niacinamide. It's also a female-founded company. It's in a little jar. This one is 0.67 ounce. This one doesn't really have a smell either. But it's an eye cream, so not a full face cream, so you would get a little bit smaller of a jar. I love an eye cream. Next up, we have Sensuals. These are de-stressing sleep well roll-on duo. 100% natural. Says MSRP is $28, and it says have a relaxed girl summer with this roll-on duo that promotes balance, wellness, and rest. Chamomile, lavender, and jasmine oils leads to a full night of beauty rest, while the de-stress roll-on comes in handy during life's stressful moments. They are cruelty-free. Now we need to smell the de-stress one. Oh, they smell good. I could use a little de-stressing in my life. Is there a good place to put it? I just put it all over me. There we go. I'll just rub it all over my whole body to completely de-stress, right? I love it. And then this one is for sleep time. Okay. That was 4 items. And then I have the next one. I love this. So I love a good planner. This one is actually called, let's see if I can find it here. Here it is. An organizer. So it says, write, organize, and plan to your heart's content with this handy notebook, complete with tabbed sections and line dotted and graphed pages. Perfect for planning the ultimate summer getaway. It includes 32-page full-colored tab sections and 192-page total, line, dotted, and graphic pages. The MSRP is $22. I thought this was so pretty. And get this little thing out of here. So check this out. If you can do, has little graphs pages, has lined pages, and then has dot pages like they said. It made me want to play connect the dots. And then has little stickers. Yeah, this is an organizer's dream. Little pockets. I like it. Very, very fun. All right. I need to get to planning. Very cute. Next. All right. These are fun. So these are the Bella bangles. These are MSRP are $70.98. And it says, we're always looking for simple ways to add fitness and wellness into our everyday lives. Enter the Bella bangles. Looks can be deceiving, and these wildly versatile wearable weights will definitely have you working up a sweat. Whether you add them to your next hot girl walk ensemble, wear them while you're checking off chores around the house, or throw them on while you're enjoying Ballasize, the free online fitness classes included in this choice. You'll love this small yet mighty fitness find. Oh, cool. It comes with free fitness classes. How cool is that? All right. So I do have, okay. They are Velcroed together, which is okay. Let me get them apart. So it's a set of 2 bangles, and you get 2 months free of the Ballasize course. And you can just like put them on your ankles, I guess, put them on your wrists, wherever you want to put them. And then you can go about your business and be getting exercise. How cool is that? I like these. They're a ½ pound, so you're not going too crazy or getting uncomfortable, but you're getting some of that, the weight to add to your routine. You could probably even do them during like yoga. Pretty cool. Feels like you're doing something. Love it. Love it. All right, there's still more stuff. I have one more. This is by Volition. And it is, did I tell you, I think I didn't, yeah, I did tell you the MSRP, $70.98 for those. Okay, Volition, this is $44 MSRP. It says if you're looking to give your skincare routine a summer glow, don't overlook this serum. It will be a welcome addition to your regimen, leading to skin as bright as the sunny days ahead. Your complexion will be moisturized, glowing, and ready to shine all season long. It's good for all skin types. The key ingredients is strawberry fruit and seed extract, kakadu plum, hyaluronic acid, cucumber fruit water. It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, silicone-free, clean beauty, and vegan. Also, of course, a female-founded company. So this looks nice as well to try. Comes in a little dropper. So we could all use a little brightening, right? Get a little glow going for the summer. Love it. And that was my box for summer. I'm kind of excited about these. I have some major beauty products. I've got my de-stress and sleep roll-on duos here. And then, you know, I can start to try to maybe organize my life, maybe, my weights to try to get my groove on here. Yeah. My hand serum, which I love the smell of that. It's amazing. My firming cream. Okay. I got some things I need to firm up, right? And then my probiotic triple peptide eye cream. Good one. This was fun. I love it though. I love FabFitFun. I always think it is a fun subscription box, and I love that they give you so many options to choose from. So usually you can't miss because you're getting pieces that you picked. They're items that you picked. I'll put my information for FabFitFun down below in case you would like to give this subscription a try. If you use my link, you'll get 20% off your first box. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had fun sharing my box with you. I hope you did too. If you did, please hit that like. I hope you hit that subscribe and hang out for future unboxings and videos. I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.